Hey everybody, how we doing? Good morning. We are going to do a little creek fish this morning. First thing we're going to do, we're fishing this old iron bridge or the waterfall down there, and we still haven't decided if we're going to put the kayaks in upstream, downstream, but we're going to go down by this waterfall and cast around. It's supposedly supposed to be some really nice smallmouth in this creek. I have fished this creek before, but oh my god, it's been what, 20 plus years ago we fished this thing.
And we're only 25, but
yeah, we're still punk kids, so. But we're gonna hit this thing, we're gonna give it a shot, so come along with us and see how we do, guys. Starting to rain on us a little bit, but that ain't a bad thing. That is not a bad thing. Get a little overcast, but I will say, folks, this thing probably gets hammered because it's pretty easy access and whatnot, but we're sure gonna give it a shot though. I'm throwing a topwater, a whopper flopper, and same buddy there, he's throwing the old Cujo, throwing a wacky rig starting out. You would think, yeah.
There's smallmouth all over. I think that's what they are. I can barely see it every once in a while. There was a whole school of them here a little bit ago.
You got him? Get him! Get him! Little spotted bass. Alright. Well, I can't hardly hear me over this waterfall.
Yeah, it's loud. I had a hard time. You were yelling at me, and I thought you said swim bait or swim fish or something. I was like, can't hear you.
Oh.
There's something.
We got a gar.
Really? Well, don't put him next to me. I already had enough of that stuff.
Yeah, boy.
I put it right in the hole. Right in that hole, Parker.
Another spot, or yep, another spotted bass. All right.
I mean, I dropped that thing. Well, underneath that, there's something in there.
Let me put a jig on here.
I'd say that'd be fire. Little chunks on these things. They got little bellies on them.
Yeah, they're eating good. Probably all kind of good stuff coming over that waterfall.
I put that right. I was like, oh man, I'm getting that tree, and it went in the hole. And look out, there's underneath that.
Probably goes back up and floats from there.
Ain't even right. What the heck was that? What the heck?
Precision, baby.
Let that sucker just sit down in there. I guarantee you. Oh, I mean, I'll go make your gas, man. It's awesome. I shouldn't do that. Yeah, that works real good. I'm sorry, I hope I didn't.
No. Come on.
Oh my, let's see.
There we go.
I was going to say, there's one in there. Actually, there's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
I was going to say, that's a nice one.
Ah, I threw my tube,
No,
yeah.
I didn't.
No,
Oh,
what the heck? Threw something.
I was going to say, that's got to be a nice one, dude.
All right.
I told you, I had a big hit right there. I was like, I thought it was
Oh,
tied.
check this out, Q. Hang on a second, everybody. Get the jig out. This thing,
Do you know what he threw?
circle hook.
Wow. Do you know what he threw?
Look at that, guys. Somebody lost his fish on a circle hook. I got that out of his throat. So, nice largemouth.
You know what he probably threw? Remember, I lost my...
Yep, I bet it was. All right, guys, we went down stream a little bit. Wasn't a whole lot of water. It looked like it just gets pounded. We seen all kind of human traffic down the creek, and so we came above the falls, and it's deeper water. We're gonna try putting in here. It's gonna become a pain in the rear to get the axe in, but we're gonna put in and we're gonna see what we can tear up. Wow, this is sketchy.
You want me to wear your GoPro while you put in first?
So you can fall in?
No, you go in first.
Yeah, I'm already singing up my mud.
Yeah, I'm gonna strap mine up before I can get in. The things we do to catch fish.
Yes. I'll be honest though, this is actually one of the better assets we've had so far.
Yeah, that one when we went to whatchamacallit. Come here.
All right, got him without mishap. Very good.
Yeah, better than I thought it would.
Yeah. Well, guess you take one bank and I'll take the other, and we'll see what happens.
Water's pretty dingy, Parker?
Seems like it's real dingy up this way. So I'm hoping maybe, I don't know. I didn't bring any of my dang sperm baits. I wish I would have now. But hopefully it's top water.
Found this little gold mine here. Nobody can get at it, you know what I mean? How many people actually go out
That could have. Oh, I'm looking at all these overhanging limbs, man. God, there's gotta be some. Which I know when we used to fish this thing years ago. I mean, this creek's full of nice catfish. Oh, there we go, guys. Little bass, whopper plopper. All right, guys, off to a good start. Hey, Coo. Yep, nice largemouth. All right, on the whopper plopper. There we go, guys. Ooh, got a dandy, guys. Ooh. Come on, girl. Come on. There is another big bass right underneath me. I'll follow this one in. Little square bill.
I caught 3 down here probably.
Really?
But they just were choking on the worm, and then as soon as I get them in, they drop off. I just lip them and they just fall off. They had the worm down their throat.
Alright, guys, got a dandy largemouth. Okay, I got some herpes or something going on the side of his mouth. Pretty rough looking. But a good fish off the little 6-cent square bill. I had a couple fish follow a bigger one I had on, so I downsized to a little curve. That's all it took. We freaking throwing this little guy, a little shad pattern, a little 6-cent curve. I love this little bait. Oh, there we go, guys. There's a square bill fish. All right. A nice little chunker. Oh, look at the guts on these things, guys. Oh, they're eating so good in this creek. Got one, Q?
Yeah.
All right.
What's that?
It's all right. Cujo just hooked up. We've got 2 way different styles of fishing. He's very methodical. You know, me, especially in the creek, I run and gun, just go, 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 which works out because he picks up a lot of fish I miss. Oh, there we go, guys. Well, it's been a hot minute since I hooked something. All right, square bill fish. All right. Well, we was on quite a while there since I'd caught anything. There we go. There we go. What we got? All right, little bass. Oh, we got him right in the nostril. All right, there we go. There we go, guys. All right. Ooh, dang. Feel like got some weight to it. All right. Let's set the drag here a little bit. Oh, heck, ain't that big. Boy, he felt a lot better than he did. Nice little fish, but no giant by no means. But I think I was wrapped up in a little blowdown while he felt so good. There we go. There we go. Switched over to spinnerbait for a little bit. trying something different, and but picked up one pretty quick on the Strike King spinnerbait and got him on the trailer hook. Little guy. Well, it looks like this just goes forever. Oh, it's beautiful, ain't it? Really? What do you think? Oh, still whacking it?
Yeah, I caught one, maybe two on my old chatterbait, and then I kind of stopped there for a little bit, and every time one would hit, I'd throw this right back in place, bam, it hit it.
You get him?
One of them been pretty nice.
Oh yeah, I've caught some good fish too. I mean, but no, I had like no set pattern. I mean, catching a couple on different styles.
I can catch them more right here by these. I mean, wow. But I mean, I've been letting this sucker drop. I mean, it's right here, and boom, they're picking it up right here off the freaking bottom most of the time. I haven't probably caught but maybe 5 or 6 fish just off the edge.
Really, everything I know, most of my stuff's been out off the bank a little ways.
But I mean, this sucker's taking forever to freaking get down in there. Man, this is pretty.
It is. It's beautiful.
Deep. I'm like, damn, I wish we would have brought some catfish.
Oh, I know. That's worse.
I see all these hanging lines.
Yeah, I know. Somebody's definitely been doing some limb lining through here.
You know what? I don't see much off the bank. I don't see anything off the bank. After we got past most of them houses, I don't see nothing like we're anywhere.
No, I mean, you're not fishing this thing from the bank. There's absolutely no. I mean, you could, but man, you'd have to fight it.
These bass are healthy too.
Oh my gosh, are they healthy? Huh?
How far did you go down?
Not even probably another 100 yards. Wasn't sure where you was at, so I thought, I better go find him.
Well, you know me, I work everything.
You're real more methodical when it comes to.
Yeah, I probably take too much time because I was like, maybe I should go down there and just fish back and then work my way back. When they hit it, though, they're all freaking aggressive.
Oh yeah, they're killing it when they hit it. That's for darn sure.
I mean, they're just covered everywhere.
Oh, I know. It's almost like, where do you throw? You know.
Exactly. That's why I'm just trying to throw stuff up in these rocks as well.
There you go. All right, little guy. Come on, a little swim bait. Change it up a little bit. Oh, got another one. That same root wad. A little better than the first one I just caught. All right, 2 for 2 there. All right, let's see if we can make a 3 for 3. I'll take it though. There you go, guys. All right. Lordy. Just lost a fish right there too. Oh damn. What the heck happened to him? Looks rough. That was a big smallie. Oh. Boy, he missed that. Oh, come on now. Got him. All right. That's a largemouth there. No, that's smallie. Heck yeah, guys. First good smallie of the day. That's what I'm talking about. Got him on the old whopper plopper. There we go, beautiful bronzy. Oh, Cujo's hooked up. Oh, that's a nice fish, Bubba. He's all up in the trees and everything else. Oh no.
Stay on there, buddy. Go the other way. I don't know how it's up to wrapped right around.
Alright, let me get up there and I'll.
I think it's just. There
Alright.
it is. Alright. Yeah, I got it. I just hit your boat. That time I was like, man, I just told you, it was like, gosh, it's been a little bit here. I'm like, what the heck? Right in that freaking treetop.
Oh, dandy largy. That's what I'm talking about. Sweet. Well, you had a hands full. You was all up in the trees and.
Well, I'm gonna go right back in the trees, and you know this. I was sitting there trying to look and see where everything was at. I might have cut the line on him. He got her pretty good. I was paying attention to my propeller thing, and I didn't even. Hold on, buddy.
Nice fish, y'all. There we go. But Cujo there, a lot of people, if you hook a fish too deep and you cannot get that hook out, do not be afraid to cut that line, because that hook will dissolve after a while, and it won't kill the fish. So if you ever hook one, like I said, and you absolutely know you cannot get it out without killing them, just don't be afraid to break it off. Yeah, you didn't want to.
You're just gonna hurt it if you either kill it. So I don't even try it.
Nope. Just best to break it off and just let them go about their business. We're like a million miles upstream trying to get back. You know how it is when you get on these creeks. You get the fish and you just want to keep going. You want to keep going, see what's around the next bend. That's the beauty of fishing these creeks, man. It's just, the question is always what's around the next bend. And we were really just starting to get into some smallmouth too up, so I think me and Cujo are going to get on Google Maps, well, Google Earth rather. We're going to follow this creek up to where it starts getting into more rock and everything, and try to find an access point way up creek one day to maybe get into some more of these smallies. Boy, some pretty scenery on this stretch of creek. Got all these nice pretty bluffs and just tons and tons of cover. I mean, gosh dang, like me and Cujo were talking, you could spend days trying to, you know, accurately fish this thing. There's so much stinking cover. Here, buddy.
Oh my God, they're sick as peas. I need dang football cleats. Shut up. Oh my God.
Here, buddy.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it.
Oh, shit!
I'm stuck in. God, these things are slick as shit. There we go.
Oh, daggum. Hey guys, we're wrapping up today. We had a heck of a trip. Like I said, we haven't fished this thing in 20 years probably.
At least.
And we had always went downstream. We never went up. So we went up, and man, we caught smallmouth, largemouth, spotted bass. We didn't really start getting into smallmouth until we got way, way up. But God, if we would have kept going, it would have been midnight before we got home. But awesome trip. We'll definitely be coming back. And I think we're going to try to maybe do some catfishing next go around.
Definitely.
So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. If you guys like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe!